Good morning student, welcome to our second class of unit 2, that is the ionic solid. Today we are going to discuss about the crystal structure. Okay, so there are I told you that there are three types of crystal structure, that is the CCP, BCC and FCC. Let's discuss about in detail. So let us first, for that you have to draw the diagram of an CCP. See here, this is the cubic close pack arrangement. Okay. So you draw this two square. See here how we can draw. You can easily draw the three-dimensional view. This one like this. So this is the cubic close pack arrangement. Now you know that in cube how many vertices? There are 8 vertices in the cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how many vertices? There are 8 vertices. And at this vertices there are present the ion, or we can call atoms, or we can also call as an particles. Okay, so at the 8 corners of an cube there are the 8 atoms or particles that are present. Instead we can call that as a lattice point. Okay, उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? Lattice point. So they are present at the 8 corner of the cube. So in this cube there are how many faces? आपने cube देखा है घर पे? कितने faces रहते हैं cube में? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many faces? 6 faces. And how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. See here 5, 6, 7 and 8. And how many faces are there? Faces are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And vertices are 8. Okay. So in the cubic ionic solid, particularly in the cubic closed pack arrangement, that is CCP, we have to calculate that how many atoms will be contributed per unit cell. So how we can calculate? We know that this atom cube, it will be shared by another cube. Okay, so what is the contribution of this? It will be 1 by 8. Means they are shared by means of another 8 corner. That's why its contribution is 1 by 8. And total how many points are there? There are total 8 points. So its contribution is 8 into 1 by 8. That is equal to, when we cross, we are getting the answer 1. Means per unit cell, how many atoms are contributing? Only 1. Okay. So if we calculate the per unit cell, how many atoms are contributed in cubic closed pack arrangement? That is equal to 1. So this is about the CCP. So student, now we are coming towards the second, that is the FCC, that is face center cubic. Okay. So see here, again it is the cubic arrangement, means we have to first draw the cube. Again I am repeating that how many corners? There are 8 corners. So each particles are present at the 8 corner of the cube. And what is the contribution of this particle at this 8 corner? It is 8 into 1 by 8, because each particle is shared by the 8 cubes. That's why its contribution, each इसका जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है, इसका क्या रहेगा 1 by 8, इसका क्या रहेगा 1 by 8, इसका भी क्या रहेगा 1 by 8, इसका भी 1 by 8, इसका भी 1 by 8, इसका भी 1 by 8. सो हाउ मेनी कॉर्नर्स आर देयर? एक पार्टिकल का कंट्रीब्यूशन है 1 by 8. ऐसे कितने हैं टोटल? 8. सो व्हाट इज द कंट्रीब्यूशन? 1. हर पार्टिकल का जो कंट्रीब्यूशन रहेगा, इसका कितना रहेगा? 1 रहेगा. इसका कितना रहेगा? वो क्यूब के पर यूनिट सेल के लिए 1 रहेगा. इसका भी 1 रहेगा. But in face center cubic, you know that there are 4 faces. This is one face, this is second face, this is third and this is fourth. Okay, and this is fifth, और पीछे से एक आएगा 6. How many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 faces. Now see here, these faces are shared by means of particle suppose present here. Suppose this is the particle and it is shared by the 2 face. Okay, means its contribution is 1 by 2. Means the particle which is present at the faces. So what is the particle which is present at the face? Particle present at the face, how much it will be contribute? It will contribute 1 by 2. Okay, and how many faces are there? 6 faces. So what is the contribution of a particle which are present at the faces? It is 6 into 1 by 2, that is equal to 3. So if we calculate how many atoms or ions that will contributed per यूनिट सेल, दैट इज कैलकुलेटेड मीन्स क्या, कॉर्नर की वजह से आ गए 1, बराबर है, और फेस पे आ गए 3, सो 1 plus 3. So what is the total contribution is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Means per unit cell how many atoms are present? That is the 4. So this is the geometry of an face centered cubic. Later on coming towards the next, that is the BCC, that is the body centered cubic. So let us first see the arrangement of a body centered cubic. In the body centered cubic, again it is the cubic arrangement, so we have to draw the cube. Again we know that in body centered cubic there are also 8 corners and the particles are present at this 8 corner. Okay, now what is the difference between the FCC and BCC? FCC में क्या था, हर फेस के बीच में एक एक पार्टिकल आ रहा था, पर बॉडी सेंटर में क्या है, इन द सेंटर ऑफ द बॉडी देयर इज अ वन पार्टिकल व्हिच इज प्रेजेंट, व्हिच इज fully contributed to the unit cell. Okay, it is not shared by the any cube. Means it is fully contributed to that unit cell. So again we can calculate the number of an atoms which are contributed per unit cell. For that purpose again we have to know that each particles which are present at the 8 vertices, how many, ये कितना कंट्रीब्यूट करेगा 1 by 8, ये भी कितना कंट्रीब्यूट करेगा, शेयर होगा, ये बाजू के क्यूब से क्या होगा, शेयर होगा, 8 क्यूब से शेयर होगा, ये भी 8 क्यूब से शेयर होगा, तो इसका कंट्रीब्यूशन कितना होगा 1 by 8. जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि हमने अगर बनाना लाया है ना, और हमारे घर में अगर फॉर एग्जांपल आपके घर में है अगर 5 मेंबर्स, तो 1 बनाना हमको 5 मेंबर्स में डिवाइड करना है, तो व्हाट इज योर कंट्रीब्यूशन, योर कंट्रीब्यूशन इज ओनली 1 by 5. लाइक दैट this particle is shared by the another 8 corner of the cube, means its contribution to this unit cell is only 1 by 8. So that's why what is its contribution, इसका भी 1 by 8 आएगा, इसका भी 1 by 8 आएगा, हर जो कॉर्नर का कंट्रीब्यूशन है 1 by 8 आएगा. मतलब क्या कि इस हर एक कॉर्नर पे जो पार्टिकल प्रेजेंट है उसको कंट्रीब्यूशन है 1 by 8 and that total how many corners 8, so 8 into 1 by 8, so that is equal to 1. So the contributions of the particles which is present at the corner of the cube is equal to 1, and one particle which are present at the center of the body which is not shared by the any another cubes, means it is fully present at this unit cell, so its contribution is 1. So we can calculate the 1 plus 1. So how many particles are contributed? The 2 particles are present per unit cell for the arrangement of an which for the BCC, body centered cubic. So students, in the university they may ask write down the arrangement of an body centered cubic, write the arrangement of face centered cubic and write the arrangement of an क्यूबिक क्लोज पैक अरेंजमेंट. तो क्यूबिक क्लोज पैक अरेंजमेंट में कितना आता है 8 इंटू, फिर से हम एक बार हम लोग फिर से रिपीट करेंगे. सो सीसीपी में क्या होता है 8 इंटू 1 by 8, फेस पे कोई नहीं रहता, ना ही बॉडी के अंदर रहता है सेंटर में, so the contribution is only of 1 particle, means per unit cell how many particles are contributed, only 1 particle. So of an face centered cubic how many particles are contributed, कॉर्नर के कितने कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं 8 into 1 by 8 है ना, प्लस ए जो एजेस पे है सॉरी फेसेस पे है वो कितना कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, दैट विल कंट्रीब्यूट 1 by 2, और ऐसे कितने हैं 6, मतलब इसमें कितने आएगा 1 और ये हो गया 3, means 1 plus 3. So how many particles are contributing per unit cell, that is the 4. So for the FCP arrangement there are 4 particles and we के लिए कितने आएंगे, for FCC how many particles 4, and for body centered cubic how many particles, we know that 8 कॉर्नर पे जो जाएंगे वो कितना कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे 8 into 1 by 8, और एक फुल्ली बॉडी के अंदर है तो 1, so that is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. And the arrangement again I am drawing here the cubic close pack arrangement. So this is the structure of an cubic close pack arrangement in which there are 8 particles are present at the 8 corner of the cube. Faces पे कोई नहीं होगा, body center पे नहीं होगा. Face center cubic में क्या होगा? There are again 8 particles at the 8 corner of the cube. Okay, so these are 8 corner of the cube and we know that these are faces. ये जो दिख रही है ना आपको, ये face है, ये face है, तो यहाँ पे एक रहेगा, ये वाला फेस है, यहाँ पे एक रहेगा, यहाँ पे एक रहेगा, यहाँ पे एक रहेगा, ये फ्रंट वाला और एक पीछे वाला, ऐसे फेसेस पे रहेंगे, 6 फेसेस पे एक एक रहेगा जिसका कंट्रीब्यूशन रहेगा 1/2. एंड फॉर बॉडी सेंटर क्यूबिक की अगर आपको डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है तो फॉर द BCC अगेन यू हैव टू ड्रॉ द क्यूब इन विच देयर आर पार्टिकल्स व्हिच आर प्रेजेंट एट द 8 कॉर्नर ऑफ द क्यूब एंड वन पार्टिकल व्हिच इज प्रेजेंट फुल्ली टू द यूनिट सेल. मीन्स यहाँ पे जो है हर इसका कंट्रीब्यूशन आएगा 8 into 1/8 और एक फुल्ली बॉडी सेंटर का आएगा दैट इज इक्वल टू 1. सो दिस इज अबाउट द CCP cubic close pack arrangement, body center cubic close pack arrangement and face center cubic close pack arrangement. In next video students we will discuss about the NaCl structure. So thank you.